Indulge your sweet tooth with our irresistible pralines, coffee, and cream cake. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a mouthwatering treat in store for you. We'll be showing you how to make a delectable pralines, coffee, and cream cake. Get ready to indulge your taste buds in this irresistible combination of flavors. Let's get started. Ingredients. For the cake: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1½ cups granulated sugar, 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup milk, 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, cooled, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. For the praline filling: 1 cup chopped pecans, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, 1/2 cup packed brown sugar, 1/4 cup heavy cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the cream filling: 2 cups heavy cream, 1/4 cup powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the praline garnish: 1/2 cup chopped pecans, 1/4 cup granulated sugar. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Whisk together until well combined. Add the milk, coffee, vegetable oil, eggs, and vanilla extract to the dry ingredients. Mix until the batter is smooth and well combined. Divide the batter equally between the prepared cake pans. Smooth the tops with a spatula. Bake in the preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cakes comes out clean. While the cakes are baking, prepare the praline filling. In a saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the chopped pecans and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring frequently, until the pecans are toasted. Add the brown sugar, heavy cream, and vanilla extract to the saucepan. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the mixture thickens. Remove from heat and let it cool. In a separate bowl, whip the heavy cream for the cream filling until soft peaks form. Add the powdered sugar and vanilla extract, and continue to whip until stiff peaks form. Set aside. Once the cakes have cooled, remove them from the pans. Place 1 cake layer on a serving plate. Spread the praline filling evenly over the first cake layer. Place the second cake layer on top. Spread the whipped cream filling over the top and sides of the cake, smoothing it out with a spatula. For the praline garnish, heat a skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped pecans and granulated sugar. Cook, stirring constantly, until the sugar melts and coats the pecans. Remove from heat and let it cool. Sprinkle the praline garnish over the top of the cake. Refrigerate the cake for at least 2 hours before serving to allow the flavors to meld together. Serve and enjoy. And that's a wrap on our pralines, coffee, and cream cake recipe. We hope you enjoyed this sweet journey with us. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes like this one. Feel free to leave any comments or questions down below, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy baking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.